Hey there, fellow travelers and adventurers. Welcome to our travel channel, Wonderful World. Are you looking for guided tours and exploring new activities and adventures around the world? Ready to unleash your inner explorer and dive into unforgettable journeys? Buckle up, because we are about to show you how to turn your travel dreams into reality. First up, imagine feeling the rush of adrenaline as you raft across many of the most famous waterfalls on the planet. With our expert guides leading the way, you'll be in for a thrilling whitewater rafting adventure you'll never forget. Now, who's ready to get soaked? Or how about a day trip that lets you soak in the charm of the French Riviera? Picture yourself traveling in a spacious, air-conditioned bus through stunning destinations like Aix, Monaco, and Cannes. From the azure waters to the quaint villages, it's a day filled with beauty and discovery. Dreaming of the Eiffel Tower? Skip the long lines at the Eiffel Towers and head straight to the top with our pre-purchased elevator tickets. Meet your host on site and marvel at the breathtaking Parisian skyline from the first and second floors, or go all out and upgrade to the summit for an even more spectacular view. Trust us, you don't want to miss this iconic experience. For those who crave a mix of history and scenic beauty, our guided tour along the River Thames is a must-do. Cruise through the heart of London, taking in iconic landmarks, and then dive into history with a visit to the Tower of London. You'll even get a close-up look at Britain's crown jewels. It's like stepping back in time, but with all the modern comforts. Feeling a bit more hands-on? Unleash your inner chef with our cooking classes in your favorite destinations. Learn to master authentic local flavors, dine and dance with your hosts, and create delicious memories you'll cherish forever. It's more than just a class, it's a cultural immersion. And for the ultimate adventure, soar to new heights with our paragliding experience in Interlaken. Admire the spectacular views of mountains and lakes as you glide through the sky. It's an exhilarating way to see one of the most beautiful places on Earth. So, what are you waiting for? Book your next adventure now and let us take care of the details. Whether it's water activities, day trips, workshops, or guided tours, we've got something for every kind of traveler. Welcome to Wonderful World. Subscribe now and start your journey today. Adventure awaits.